Have you ever wondered how to get that deep, commanding voice that instantly grabs attention? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can achieve a deeper, more resonant voice with practical techniques that anyone can do. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because I'm going to share one powerful trick that most people overlook, but it could be the game changer in transforming your voice. Whether it's for public speaking, boosting your confidence, or just sounding more authoritative, this is your guide to a stronger, deeper voice. Understanding voice depth. To start, let's dive into what actually makes a voice sound deep. It's all about vocal cords, resonance, and pitch. While some aspects are genetic, the great news is that you can train your voice to sound deeper and more resonant with some simple techniques. Techniques to deepen your voice.
Posture improvement. Your posture has a direct impact on your voice. By standing or sitting upright, you allow better airflow and vocal resonance, which automatically deepens your tone. Breathing exercises. One of the key elements to a deeper voice is learning to control your breath. Diaphragmatic breathing, breathing from your diaphragm instead of your chest, helps you project a fuller, richer voice. Stay tuned, because at the end, I'll share a bonus breathing technique that makes a big difference.
Vocal warm-ups. Warm up your voice with simple exercises like humming, lip trills, and vocal scales. These exercises will help relax your vocal cords, making your voice sound smoother and deeper. Slow down your speech. A deeper voice comes from slowing down and speaking with intention. When you rush, your voice tends to sound higher. So take your time. This simple shift can make a big impact. Lowering pitch gradually. Practicing speaking in a lower pitch without forcing it can help you naturally train your voice to sound deeper. Over time, this lower tone will become comfortable and more natural. Lifestyle and health tips. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key for keeping your vocal cords healthy and flexible. Well-hydrated vocal cords produce a clearer and richer voice. Rest your voice. Avoid overstraining your voice. Frequent rest helps keep your vocal cords in top shape, preventing strain that can weaken your voice. Avoid smoking. Smoking damages the vocal cords, leading to a hoarse or raspy voice. Protect your voice by steering clear of smoking and other irritants. Now that you have these practical tips, don't forget the importance of consistency. The more you practice these techniques, the more noticeable the change in your voice will be. And as promised, here's the bonus tip. One of the most powerful ways to deepen your voice is through vocal resonance exercises. Focus on feeling the vibrations in your chest when you speak. This will give your voice extra depth and authority over time. If you found these techniques helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know which tip you're going to try first, or if you have any questions about improving your voice. I can't wait to hear about your progress. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Eat for vocal health. Certain foods and drinks, like herbal teas and honey, help soothe the throat and promote vocal health, making it easier to maintain a deep, rich tone.